We manufacture mould tools that makes interior and exterior plastic parts for the likes of JCB, Jaguar Land Rover, Ford, Bentley, Aston Martin. The greatest challenge I've had in this business is really making sure we've always got cash flow. It's standard in our industry not to get paid for 22 to 24 months. I first approached Richard Darren, who's our relationship director, explained to him the issues we were having on growing our business and asked the bank for some help. I was very surprised on how much NatWest knew about the automotive industry, but they'd brought people out of automotive and employed them within the bank.
We were able to understand the issues that the business faced through our sector knowledge, and we were able to provide a bespoke funding solution that took away those cash flow pressures.
NatWest solved the problem for us. They gave us invoice factory, they gave us 100% payment terms. They also gave us a lot of knowledge because they understood our business. They understood what our customers wanted. They also understood what we'd got to deliver because they knew our industry.
By helping Petford Tools with this funding solution, it has allowed the business to continue to grow, to invest in new machinery, and to be well placed for the future challenges within manufacturing. The manufacturing sector is an extremely challenging environment, but despite these challenges, it's excellent to see that Petford have continued to invest during this period, and I'm just delighted that NatWest have been able to play a part of that.
Richard isn't just somebody who works at the bank. We go to the football together. He's become a true friend.